So, yesterday we talked about equal groups, right? So today we're going to go back to that, but we're going to add a little more to it, okay? So, 3 times 4 equals what?
12.
12, right? We can also look right here at the times sign, and it also means groups of. So, you remember yesterday when we saw the circles and they had the dots inside of them?
Yes.
And we were talking about different groups, and they were all what? Rashawn?
Groups.
They were all groups, but they were all what? They all had the same, so they were what? Manny?
Equal.
Equal. Good job, Alexis. So, 3 groups of 4 is 12 in all. So 3 and 4 are important numbers. They're what? Factors. There are factors. And then 12 is an important number. It's our what? Product. Good job, Manny. So you get your product at the very end. That's what you get all together, right? So, if we look at it and we want to draw this, go down. We're going to pick the color. And how many groups do I have?
3.
3. So 3 circles. 2, 3. How many's in each group?
4.
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 4. So, if we have our equal groups, and there are 3 groups of 4, with 1, 2, 3, 4 in each, how many do we have altogether?
You have 12.
12. Good job, Annie. Just like up here. Well, let's count them to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have our 12, right?
Yes.
So, what's another way we could look at this?
4 plus 4. I know.
Good job, Alexis. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals what?
12.
12. Good job. So it's repeated what?
4 plus 4 plus 4.
So you do what? You repeat, what's this sign?
Plus.
So you add, so you repeat addition. So multiplication is repeated what?
Addition.
Addition. Good job.
I know.
So why would we want to use multiplication instead of repeated addition?
Because it adds.
It takes less time. Because if you had a number like 9 times 8, that would be a lot of circles, wouldn't it? That'd be a lot of things inside each circle. You'd have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you have to draw 8 things in all these. And then you'd have to do 9 times, wouldn't you? So 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. And go on and on and on and on, wouldn't you? So that would take a really long time, wouldn't it, Rashawn?
Yeah.
Yes. Would you want to do that or just multiply?
Just multiply.
Just multiply. So, if we did that, an easier way would be to multiply. And you can show it if you get a little confused and you want to write it down, you can always draw your circles and write your stuff inside. Put your dots, put squares, whatever you want to put, as long as they're all equal, right? So if they're all equal, they're all what? Fair or the same, right? So, we're going to look at it over here. So, I got it pulled up on the Elmo here. Maybe. So we're going to look at it. if we were doing the 3 times 4, which are these, so we have how many going down? And how many going across?
4.
So that means we have 3 times 4, right?
12.
12. So 3 groups of
3. 4.
4. So, I'm gonna open my candy here.
Can we open ours too?
Not yet. Almost. So if we're doing 3 groups of 4, we're just gonna look at 3 of these circles, right? So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 3 groups, right? The circles. And then how many do we have in each group?
We have 4.
So altogether we should have how many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 times 4 is 12. So it's all equal. So if we wanted to write that, we would say 4. Well, it's not 1 o'clock, right? Yeah, it is. Plus 4 plus 4 equals how many?
12.
12. Because we counted them and we had 12. So, then we take our handy dandy little other sheet here.
Right there.
And we're going to write it down. So let's erase this.
We put that.
So if it was addition, our multiplication fact is 3 times 4, right? So the answer is what?
12.
12. So what would 3 times 4 be as an addition?
4, 4, 4. It down.
4, yes ma'am, 4 plus 4 plus 4,
We put it down.
right? So you can open your candies now.
Do we put that down there?
Yes, I'm gonna put it down there because I want you to be able to see that you can do it by yourself and with me. Okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna put it down there. You're gonna write it on there. So you're gonna know what it looks like when you add it, what it looks like when you multiply it, and what the answer is gonna be when you do both of them. So if you do it right, you should get the same answer if you add it and multiply it, right? Right. So, let's look at another one. So, I'm going to make this small again.
Do you want us to open one pack or all the packs?
Um, 2 packs. Let's do this again. So let's say we have 6 groups of 2. So 6 times 2. So we need 6 circles. Right there, 6 circles, right? So our 6 circles are going to be our what? Yes, ma'am?
Group.
The groups, right. So we're going to take and put 2 in each one. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 6 groups of 2. Right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 times 2 is what?
12.
12. So we're going to go over a couple more of our equal groups, okay? So I want you to use your markers first, and I want you to use them to draw on your desk to write them, okay? And I'm going to do them up here. So, everybody got your markers? Get one more. Here you go. So, you're going to use your markers. So, if I had 4 times 6, how many groups do I have? 4. So, how many? I'm going to have 4 what?
A circle.
4 circles, squares. What do y'all want to use?
6.
4 circles or circles? 1, 2, 3, 4. Rayshawn, how many are you going to have in each? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it on your desk? Yes? Okay. On your desk, Manny. Alright, so now that we've got that, we're going to do our repeated addition, which means we're going to put our plus signs in between here, right? So how many's in each circle? 6. So 6 plus 6 plus another one plus another one. So what is 4 times 6?
24.
24. Good job, Rayshawn. So let's count them to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's 24, right? So it's repeated addition of the same number over and over. But isn't it a lot easier just to do the multiplication problem? Yes. So, let's try one more. And then we're going to let you do it on your papers, okay? So, let's try 3 times 7. 3 times, you know what the answer is, Manny?
3 times 7 is 28.
Not 28, you're close. That's 3 times 4. I mean 7 times 4, sorry.
I see it. I know it. 21.
21. Well, let's check it with our groups. So how many groups am I going to have? 3. How many's going to go in each group?
5, 7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, it would be 7 plus what? What's next? It's repeated addition, so it's the same. So 7 plus what? 7, which would equal 1. So, let's count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Bless you. 21. So we know it's 21, right? Alright. So on your papers, just like yesterday, you have your circles. So I want you to take your circles. And on the first ones, you're going to do 4 times 5. So how many circles are you going to use? 4. So 4 times 5. So how many is going to be in each circle? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just take your crayons or your color pencils. And And then in 4 of your circles, you're gonna put how many in each circle?